Hi, what's up everyone? I'm Edelbert Halos and welcome to another open house tour for this week. Specs of this property right behind me. Lot area is 259 square meter. Floor area is 600 square meter. 8 bedrooms, 8 toilet and bath, and 4 carport. Now guys, let's begin our open house tour. From the street level of this property, large and solid gate, access natin for carport. Now guys, let's go inside of this house. Dito kasi ang dalawang kotse sa covered parking. Doon sa hindi covered ang parking, kasi din dito yung dalawang kotse mo. Partition mula dito sa 2 carport at dito sa swimming pool. Yung haba niya is 7, yung lapad niya is 4. 7 by 4 yung sukat niya. Meron tayong box garden, water pump, shower, powder room, everyday kitchen, double sink, may drawer ka dito, mayroon kang large window to give natural light and good ventilation dito sa everyday kitchen mo guys. This door leads to your kitchen pero mamaya natin tingnan yan. Itong room na to, ito naman yung for maid's room. Sa maid's room nyo, malawak naman siya sa kama lang. Toilet and bathroom for the maid's room and driver's room. This stair leads to your driver's room. Yan, balik na tayo dun sa carport o dun sa may swimming pool. This side, beside the swimming pool, ito yung lanay area. Yan. Sa lanay area natin, may sliding door tayo, leads to your dining area. Pwede mo rin yung dining area, extension mo dito sa lanay para mas malapad siya sa mas malawak guys. Ngayon guys, pasok tayo doon sa main door. Pathway papunta doon sa main door. Both side may box garden. Pedestrian gate. And also dito sa kabilang side, may box garden siya. And guys, ito yung solid in main door natin. Made of mahogany. Ngayon, let's go inside of this home. Pagpasok mo dito, ito yung we-welcome sa'yo. Yung huge living area and double height ceiling. On this side will be your dining area. Pero dito muna tayo sa side na to. Tingnan natin yung first bedroom. Ito yung first bedroom. Pasukin na natin. Open na siya. Yan. Sa first bedroom mo, high ceiling, may cove light, may modern light, may mga awning windows ka dito. And then, itong pinto na to, ito yung dito sa iyong sink, toilet, shower enclosure, provision for multi-point water heater. Labas tayo sa first bedroom. Paglabas mo ng first bedroom, mayroong powder room dito. Floor to ceiling high ang tiles, toilet, sink, and mirror is a floating vanity. Lakad lang tayo dito sa main door. Living area with double height ceiling. Right behind me, stair going to the second floor. On this side will be your dining area. Dining area mo is pwedeng good for 8. And then, kung gusto mo mag-extension pa, para mas mahaba, itong lanay, pwede rin siya to extend. From lanay, katabi mo yung swimming pool. Naka-drop ceiling, cove lighting, kulang mo na lang is modern light. This side will be your kitchen. It's a huge kitchen. Island countertop made of quartz. May mga drawers ka dito. And cabinet. May open space ka dito or may space para sa dalawang upuan. Yung countertop mo, mula dyan hanggang dito, is made of granite countertop, overhead cabinet, provision mo for rinse hood, for your stove o cooktop. This side, ito yung continue ng kitchen, double sink, cabinet, meron kang 4 panel of sliding window to give natural light and good ventilation, upper cabinet, and also you have a pantry. Yan, yung pantry mo. And mayroon ka ulit na storage dito sa taas. Dito yung location ng 2-door refrigerator. Sa kitchen mo dito, lagay ka lang dito ng magandang modern light. Yan. Napakaganda at saka malawak yung kitchen niya dito. Guys, we're done for the ground floor. Let's go to the second floor. But wait, before we go to the second floor, meron tayong storage here. Meron tayong Sterlite, tempered glass, and yung steps natin made of mahogany. Welcome to the second floor. Then ito yung vertical metal slat. Stair leads to your third floor. Guys, dito sa second floor, meron tayong entertainment area, second bedroom. Right behind me is master bedroom. Bukod dun sa mga yon, meron pa tayong magandang open space dito. Pwedeng family area. Na cove lighting yan. Ang maganda pa rin dito. Yan. May view ka dito. Makikita mo yung living area. Then, kita mo yung glass dito. May view ka outside. Check natin yung second bedroom. Welcome to the second bedroom of this home. Meron kang mga awning windows. At dito rin sa side. outlets, 4 panels of sliding window with screen. Pag nandito ka sa window na to, matatanaw mo yung swimming pool. Floor to ceiling high cabinet. Provision mo for TV and shelves. Sa pinto na to, ito naman yung entertainment area. Pasukin natin. Yan o. Napakalawak na entertainment area. Meron ka dito mga sliding windows. Madudungaw mo dito, matatanaw mo yung swimming pool. Yung carport. May large sliding window ka dito, papunta dito sa yung balcony. Yan guys, dito sa balcony, meron siyang box garden, tempered glass, at may view ka dito. Maliwala siya. Naka-extension na rin, may polycarbonate. Yan. Maganda dito sa entertainment area. Dito yung provision mo for TV, yung mga sound system mo, and then yung couch. Meron tayong 4 panel of large window. Madudungaw mo dito yung living area. Napansin nyo guys, second bedroom yung family area natin. Wala siyang toilet and bathroom. Ito yung toilet and bathroom for the second and entertainment area. Head shower, sliding window, multi-point water heater, toilet, floating vanity. Lakad lang tayo guys, papunta dito sa inyong master bedroom. So, okay na natin. Built-in headboard, lighting, cove light, bench, maganda dito for reading. May open space ka dito. It's up to you guys kung ano yung pwede mong design na gawin. Meron kang awning windows, 4 panel of sliding window to give natural light and good ventilation. On this door will be your walk-in closet and toilet and bathroom. Walk-in closet, ito yung sliding glass. Meron ka dito storage, floor to ceiling high cabinet, and also this side, we have a floor to ceiling cabinet. Double sink, toilet, and jacuzzi. Shower enclosure, head shower, and jacuzzi. Now guys, balik tayo dito sa master bedroom. Master bedroom natin, Tapos na tayo dito. Let's go upstairs. Check naman natin yung third floor. Dito ako sa landing between the second floor and the third floor. Dito na tayo sa pangatlong palapag ng house and lot. Dito merong 4 na kwarto, lahat may toilet and bathroom, at meron siyang malaking balcony. Ngayon, tingnan na po natin yung pang-4 na kwarto. Malapad siya, malawak siya. High ceiling, may pin light, then may mga awning window. This side, floor to ceiling high cabinet. Dito sa pinto na to, ito yung toilet and bathroom. May head shower, multi-point water heater, toilet, floating vanity. Isunod na natin yung pang 5th bedroom. Dito sa pang 5th bedroom, yan, malaki talaga yung mga kwarto dito. High ceiling, may pin light, may porous sliding window, to give natural light and good ventilation. Mapapansin mo dito, kahit patay yung ilaw, ang liwanag pa rin. Facing street ito, pang 5th bedroom natin. May bench. On this side, we have a built-in cabinet, floor to ceiling height. Dito sa pinto na to, ito yung inyong toilet and bathroom. Head shower, toilet, floating vanity. Yan. Tuloy na tayo dun sa ating 6th bedroom. Sa pang 6th bedroom natin, floor to ceiling high cabinet, awning window, tapos may awning windows din doon. On this side will be your toilet and bathroom. Multi-point water heater, head shower, toilet, floating vanity. Ang maganda sa mga toilet and bathroom, iba-iba siya ng design. Ito na yung pang 7th bedroom. Tuloy-tuloy tayo dito. Yan. Dito sa pang 7th bedroom, mas malalaki siya dun sa mga ibang bedroom na nakita na natin kanina. Mas malapad. Pero pare-parehas na high ceiling, may mga pin light, may awning window, may provision ka doon for telephone, cable, yan, lagay mo ng TV, shelf, tapos meron ka ditong king or queen size of bed. Ang kaibahan niya lang ulit sa ibang mga bedroom, may 4-panel of sliding window ka, matatanaw mo dito yung swimming pool. Sa part na to, ito yung toilet and bathroom. Shower enclosure, provision for multi-point water heater, head shower, toilet, floating vanity. Yan guys, itong part na to is dito yung huge balcony, or not a balcony, is a deck. Pero mamaya natin check yan. Dito muna tayo sa pang-8 kwarto. Floor to ceiling high cabinet. 4-panel of sliding window. Facing street siya. Kaya makikita mo yung kalsada. Will be your toilet and bathroom. Head shower, multi-point water heater, toilet, floating fan. Yan guys, na-mention ko kanina dito sa third floor natin, apat lang ang kwarto at 4 ang toilet. Pero po dito, 5 po ang bedroom, 5 din po ang toilet, at isang deck. Yan guys, ang ganda dito sa deck ko. Ang lapad siya sa kamalawak. Meron kang view dito ng city view. Meron kang view dito ng Antipolo area. Napakaganda dito pag yung umaga, hapon, nagre-relax ka dito, then nagko-coffee ka or nagju-juice. Recap po muna tayo bago tayo matapos dito sa ating open house tour. Lot area is 259 square meter. Floor area is 600 square meter. 8 bedrooms, 1 maid's room, 1 driver's room, 1 entertainment area. 8 toilet and bath, 2 powder room, 4 carport, and 1 swimming pool. If ever guys na nagustuhan nyo po ang bagong featured na property dito po sa Greenwoods, Pasig City, pwede nyo po akong tawagan o text sa number na to para makapag-schedule tayo ng site viewing o site viewing. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notification para lagi po kayo makareceive o makatanggap ng mga bagong pinipictured na property dito po sa Metro Manila and Rizal area. Again, this is Edelbert Talos, helping you find a home that's meant for you.